So you might be in a situation where for some reason you keep trying to post a story on Instagram, and for some reason that story is just not posting no matter what you're doing. So maybe you're trying to go ahead and just take an image, or maybe you're taking a video and you're trying to post it and it just keeps saying uploading, uploading, uploading. It just keeps spinning in circles and it's not actually uploading the story. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons, but the first thing you want to double check is to double check your internet connection on your device. So what you want to do here is just make your way over to your settings of your device, iPhone, Android, whatever it is, and all you want to do is make sure you're connected to a proper Wi-Fi connection. So make sure it's fully functional, there's no issues. Connect to the 5G variant of that, unlike the 2.4 one that I'm connected here. And you also want to make sure your data connection is working if you're using data. So if you're using Wi-Fi or data, just make sure one of those is properly working. And a majority of the time, that is probably all you're going to have to do, if I'm being completely honest. Now, for some reason, that is not working. Well, the next thing you probably want to take a double note at is to make sure that you're posting your story as well as not, randomly exiting out of Instagram as soon as you're posting it. So if you're taking the story right here, and if I'm just going to post it, if I just go and click here, well, what can happen is if I go ahead and just exit out of Instagram like this, the story may not post. So you want to make sure you're hanging around Instagram for a little bit of time. So if I go here, you can see that sometimes it may post, sometimes it may not. Especially if it's a long video, it may not actually post properly. So that is the main thing you want to do and double check, is to make sure you're not just going through and posting your specific Instagram stories immediately, then canceling out of it. Now, if that's still not working, another thing you may want to just double check is to make sure your Instagram application is fairly up to date. So what you can do here is go and click on the search bar here, go and click up here, and just type in Instagram. And all you want to do is go ahead and just make sure Instagram has been up to date, at least a few versions. If it's super outdated, like a year or two, then obviously you're going to have issues. So just update your Instagram application, and that can potentially fix the problem too. If you are still having issues here as well, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making sure that Instagram isn't actually down. So what you can do here is you can make your way over to a website that I always recommend going to, downdetector.com. You can make your way to the comment section of this video. You can go to twitter.com. And if Instagram is actually down, it's probably going to be one of the first applications up here. So if Instagram's down, you can just double check up here. And if it is down here, you probably just have to wait until they fix it. If the bar graph looks something like this, where it's huge spikes, well, yeah, you're pretty much just going to have to wait until they fix it. So that's pretty much how it's done. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.